Happy Father's Day! Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's
Kasi po, iyak, iyak.
Ayan, naputol ang atali mo.
Papapyan! Bakit? Sakay.
Sakla.
Kanina pa kami nandyan, sa bungalow. Saan kayo galing? Ako pinayak mo. Sino?
Si Papa Alzheimer's bigla.
Kanina pa kami nandyan. Ano ba oras? Alas 5.
Kita ko kayo eh. Andahan pa kayo.
Sabi
Wow!
ko, di ba nag-chat ako sa'yo yung tatala? Oo nga. Chat lang yan.
Magaling kami. Artista kami. Mas artista kami sa'yo.
Hindi yung order.
Mas artista kami sa'yo. Baka na natin direct.
Siya lang ang nagkakambali eh.
Mas artista pa kami sa'yo. Oh.
Nag-chat ako sa'yo. Bas,
Oh, binidyo ko nga di si tita. Tulog na tulog. Sino yan daw?
Ano, sino ka? Nagpera na pala.
Hello, si Tito? Ay, ma'am, nakapag to pa si Tita na mukha. Tulog na tulog. Ito yung mata eh.
Nagtatampa, wala nag-chat. Nagbibidyo ko na.
Sabi ko kay Rek, baka tayo mahalata, nagluluto. Ay, hindi.
Paano?
Sabi ko nga, Seki, huwag kang maingay dyan kasi hindi niya alam. Kasi pag alam niyan, di ba't sisigaw yan? Yung isa, sabi ko, sasagot yun pag narinig. Sabi ko, tigilan mo si Seki, pigilan mo yan.
Ba't di pa kayo lalabas?
Sasagot yan ng Seki, gaganon yan.
Dami niluto. Sir Papa, ang order yung mga pagkain niluto. Brad, sabi rin, yung mga sunog mo. Sige. Ay, gusto na kayo. Naiyak? Naiyak. Kanina pa. Ito, nakamakal pa mga ito. Kanina pa bati si Papa. Father's Day bukas na. Sabi ko hindi po. Sa ano ka? Sa Monday. Diyan ka.
Oh,
Ay, Lili.
Ano?
Bawal niya, nakikisama yan. Pinagsabihan namin, bawal na iyan.
si Seki kinukulong ko sa kwarto. Batuhan ko na yung laging sabi, gusto ko na sa labas. Eh, pag narinig niyan, sasagot yan.
Pagka narinig yung boses ni Seki, lalabas na
Yun nga, sabi ko kay Ricky, huwag mo nang isama ng palabas-labas. Ay, pag narinig, sasagot yan dalawa. Oo? Oo.
When I was just a little one, you held me tight, guided me through dark and light. You were my shining knight. Through every storm and sunny day, you stood by my side. Your love and wisdom paved the way. In you I take pride. My father, my dad, my papa, you mean the world to me. Your sacrifices, all your love, have set my spirit free. My father, my dad, my papa, I cherish all you do.
Can you just imagine having the most handsome father in the whole white world? Do you know what is the feeling of it? Do you understand what is the consequences of having such an amazing father? Well, we do know all of this because we have one. We have the most amazing and handsome and most macho father in the world. Our father, who did lots of sacrifices for us, who had been there for us in many cases, who had been doing his best for his family. He may not seem to be perfect, but in our hearts, he deserves a special Father's Day celebration. Papa Boyet, his decisions, we may not understand it. His guidance goes beyond words. His sacrifice is often not seen, but all of his actions are his love language. Papa, all of us, your sons, we do understand you. We do know that you do all it for your love for us, and we want you to know how much we love you. We may not express it every time, but in our hearts, we want to tell you now that we love you so, so much. We will always cherish everything that you've done for us, and we will never in our lives forget all of it. Dear Papa Boyet, your unwavering strength and boundless kindness are a beacon of hope for all who know you. Every day, you inspire us with your wisdom, resilience, and the love you share so generously. Remember, your journey is a testament to the power of perseverance and the beauty of a compassionate heart. Keep shining, Papa Boyet. Your light illuminates the path for many, and your spirit ignites the dreams of those around you. We believe in you and celebrate the incredible person you are, with deepest admiration and gratitude. On this special day, we celebrate you and the incredible father you are. Papa Boyet, you are not just a father, you are a hero, a mentor, and a friend. Your legacy of love and perseverance will forever be a part of our hearts. May this Father's Day be filled with the same joy and love you bring into our lives every day. Happy Father's Day to the most amazing and most macho father in the whole white world. From your amazing family, the Ramos family. Mama chup chup, kiss sabay hug.
Hi Boyet! Surprise! Hindi ka na nauwi ng ilog, hindi tayo nagkikita. Baka ikaw ay sarap na sarap niya sa Tagaytay. Happy Father's Day!
Happy birthday sa amin, Poging-Pogi rito. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa mga tulong sa amin simula pa ng bata pa na dala-dala namin hanggang ngayon tumanda kami. Alam po, enjoy niyo araw niyo. More birthdays na pang.
Hi, Tito Boyet.
Ito Boyet.
Happy Father's
Happy Father's
Day po. Mag-iingat ka po lagi.
Stay healthy.
I love you po.
Happy Father's Day, Papa Boyet.
Ano pa?
Hello po, Papa Boyet. Happy Father's Day po. Ingat po palagi.
Kamusta, Papa Boyet? Happy Father's Day to you. I miss you so much, Papa Boyet. You're the best father ever.
Happy Father's Day, Ma'am Boyet. Happy Father's Day!
Hello, Kuya. Rek. Happy Father's Day. I woke up like this. So, enjoy the day. And, alam mo na, sarap kain na naman. Inggit ako. So, again, Happy Father's Day. Thanks. Aba, nalimutan. Si BJ pa pala. Happy Father's Day, BJ. Akala ko si Rek lang ang dade. Si BJ nga rin pala. Happy Father's Day. Enjoy. Hope to see you soon. Bye!
Happy Father's Day! Happy Father's Day sa'yo!
Happy Father's Day, Papa Boyet.
Happy Father's Day, Papa and Tita Rek. I love you.
Happy Father's Day, Papa. We love you.
Day po!
Hello pa. Bali, bago ang lahat, binabati kita ng Happy Father's Day sa'yo, sa ating lahat na bilang ama. So, on this special day, I want to take a moment to thank you for everything you've done for me. Your unwavering support, endless patience, and unconditional love have shaped me into the person who I am today. You've taught me the value of hard work, the importance of kindness, and the strength of perseverance. I cherish the memories we've made together, from the simple moments of laughter to the times when your wisdom guided me to their life challenges. Your presence has been a constant source of comfort and inspiration. Thank you for being our greatest father, my mentor, and my best friend as well. I hope to carry your legacy of love and integrity forward in my own life. Beli pa, happy Father's Day. Palagi mong tatandaan na mahal ka namin. Maraming salamat dahil ako yung pinaka nagmana ng iyong kagawapuan. Dito ko lang po. Happy Father's Day. I love you.
Pa, Happy Father's Day po. I would like to take this big opportunity to tell you how much we love you, how much I personally love you. Although we are not rich and we don't have lots of money to spend with, you still find ways to show how much you care and how much you love each and every one of us. Actually, when I was creating this video, and after seeing all the images and photos in the past, I suddenly realized that I should not be weak. I suddenly realized that I am a Ramos, and you are the one who taught us how to be strong and how to be positive in our lives. I can still remember your first teachings, which is the PMA or the positive mental attitude. Sa totoo lang po, nawala sa akin yung positive mental attitude in the past couple of months due to the problems and challenges that we are facing today. But after creating this video and seeing all the images that our family has in the past, seeing our family photos happy, I suddenly realized that I should not be weak and I should get back to myself, to my own self. With that pa, I would like to thank you for everything ever since. Thank you so much for all the guidance, all the teachings, all the learnings, teaching us how to be strong and how to fight in life. I would like to thank you for everything that you've done, not only to me but to the whole Ramos family. Yes, challenges, good vibes and bad vibes, nandiyan na talaga yun eh. It's just up to you on how you are going to handle these kinds of things. So again pa, I truly believe that God is watching over us, our family. I truly believe that our goal, our target in life will soon arrive. And pag dumating na yung time na yun, our family, the Ramos family, will become a stronger family. I truly believe that our lucky year or lucky day will soon arrive in our family. So again pa, thank you so much for everything. Again, I love you. Lily loves you. Gab loves you. Every one of us in Ramos family loves you very, very much. Thank you so much for everything that you've done to our family. Again, happy Father's Day pa. Enjoy your day. Pahabol lang po ng video, I just want to clarify that doon sa sinabi ni Brad na nakuha daw niya lahat ng kagwapuhan, I object, Your Honor. I truly object with that statement because imposible yun. Dahil ito ayan yun eh, hindi sa'yo lahat napunta, Brad. Siguro mga ano sa'yo 20%, akin yung 80% ng kagwapuhan ni Papa. Okay? Happy Father's Day pa. I love you.
Sabi niya magyayabang din. No, this time I really felt surprised
Because I didn't know I will come over here, all my loved ones. I didn't expect them. I love them so very much. All I wanted is get together this time, Father's Day, but because of maybe financial problem, but unexpectedly, because of one of my son here, Enrique, made me a surprise, and this made me tear in my eyes, have tear in my eyes, because I
Ayos mo,
feel
ayos mo.
so much happiness in my heart to Danica, who bring up with me this event right now. To my family here is here with me now. I want to say I love you. With all my heart. Thank you.
Guided me through dark and light. You were my shining light. Through every storm.
Hug nga daw eh. Hug daw eh. Hug lang daw.
Paved the way.